Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Approximately 1 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York. It is Friday. Happy Aloha Friday, as we say on the islands. It is the 23rd day of July, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver, our weekend review, and what an interesting week we have seen. Gold under pressure primarily throughout the week. It has tested lows at the 100-day moving average, as well as a key retracement level. And we have seen it test the lows, but effectively close above $1,800 on all occasions this week. We'll talk about that in detail when we pull up our charts. First to the price board, which begins now. Gold on Friday did trade under pressure, closing down by $3.30, with the August futures currently fixed at $1,802.10. Although there was minor headwinds from dollar strength, it was U.S. equity markets closing at all-time record highs that provided the majority or blunt of the pressure on gold. The S&P 500 closed up over 1%. It is at an all-time record high at 4411.79. The NASDAQ composite closed at an all-time record high after gaining 152 points. That's a gain of also just over 1%. And you can see the close, 14,836. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing above 35,000 for the first time, after factoring in today's gain of 238 points, which is why I believe we have seen gold under pressure all week. Not only today, but throughout Monday through Friday. We have seen it trade in a sideways trading pattern. We're looking at a daily candlestick chart of gold futures. This is the continuous contract currently representing August. Today's market activity, it traded to a higher high than it did yesterday, but it also traded to a lower low, as you can see, testing 1790 once again, with the low today of $1,789.10. Of course, we do have a stop below the 100-day moving average at 1,787. So it came a little bit too close for comfort, but nonetheless, we saw the market recover from those lows. Although it traded down by a couple of dollars, it did trade well off the lows. Another reason we have seen gold prices trade in essence sideways throughout the week, the market participants are waiting upon the FOMC meeting, which will begin next week on Tuesday and conclude on Wednesday. And it is the monetary policy statement that is going to hold so much weight, including the statement by Chairman Powell. So we could see some activity as the market squares up on Monday morning, awaiting the start of the FOMC meeting. But I believe that primarily silver also traded under pressure today, giving up 14 cents and is currently fixed at $25.24. Silver's sell-off today is quite disappointing because over the last couple of days we talked about the potential for a key reversal after dropping for 3 consecutive days, a higher high and a higher low, but it also needs to be a large body green candle, which we certainly did not get yesterday. Today's substantial decline does put us in a holding pattern. We were thinking about entering silver from the long side, but if we see follow-through selling as it opens in Australia on Sunday here and in the mainland, that would be negated. While I find it perplexing that gold is acted in such a tepid manner to recent hikes in inflation, with equities on fire as they have, I do see a reason that investors are putting money into the U.S. equities markets rather than gold. I think that it is all up to the FOMC meeting next week to determine how gold reacts over the end of this month and into next month. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. I invite you to view the interview with Kiko News' David Lin that was recorded yesterday. For our members, it's available on the members page. For all of our viewers, you can watch it on our YouTube channel and watch it on the Kiko News channel as well. Have a great day. Bye-bye.